You may be wondering, how can I protect my people and make them feel safe as they come back to work? As a GMI client, you can rest assured we have followed the CDC guidelines and beyond, well before this pandemic even started. At GMI, we have always cleaned for health first and then appearance second. So you're in great hands. Here are some of the additional measures we are taking to ensure that you and your people stay healthy and safe. Number one, all GMI employees have gone through additional training based off CDC guidelines so that we can properly protect both our janitors and your employees. Number two, the good news is we have always used and will continue to use EPA-registered disinfectant that is effective against killing coronavirus. Number three, we're increasing disinfection frequency. That means we're doubling down on the disinfection of the potential hotspots within your facility every day. Here are some of the things you can do in your facility to promote a healthier and safer workplace. Number one, institute a clean desk or workspace policy. Less clutter offers more cleaning surface. Number two, reduce the number of necessary touch points. Things like door handles and keyboards, mice, whiteboard markers, etc. Number three, empower do-it-yourself cleaning in your office. Provide hand sanitizer. Provide disinfecting wipes, maybe bottles of disinfecting solution. Everyone can get involved in the solution. Here's some of the things your staff can do to protect everyone in your facility, including the janitors who are protecting them. Number one, follow CDC guidelines, which include washing your hands, not coming into work when sick. Social distancing is appropriate, just as we all know. Number two, as I mentioned earlier, remove clutter and piles whenever you can. This gives more clean surface for us to disinfect. For example, if you want your desk disinfected regularly, clear the runway. That way we can clean it for you. Number three, be mindful you and your actions throughout the day have a powerful impact on the health and safety of everyone around you. If you have questions or comments, feel free to reach out to me directly or your client service manager. From everyone here at GMI, we want to say thank you for partnering with us and creating a safe and healthy workplace for every single person who enters your facility. Together, we can beat this virus and promote a healthy work environment and have an amazing rest of the year.